Clearing the air. How GeoMeeting is helping communities combat smog. Smog is a type of air pollution that is harmful to human health and the environment. It is caused by a mixture of pollutants, including nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. GeoMeeting is a technology that can help identify sources of smog and its impact on the community. By using Geographic Information Systems, GIS, we can map out areas where smog is most prevalent and track changes over time. The impact of smog on health. Smog can have serious health effects, particularly for people with respiratory problems. Exposure to smog can cause coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest pain. In addition to these immediate effects, long-term exposure to smog has been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer. Children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable. Sources of smog. There are many sources of smog, including transportation, industry, and power generation. Cars and trucks are a major contributor to smog, producing nitrogen oxides and other pollutants. Industrial facilities and power plants also emit large amounts of pollutants into the air. In some cases, natural sources such as wildfires and dust storms can also contribute to smog. How GeoMeeting can help. GeoMeeting can help identify sources of smog by analyzing data from various sources, including satellite imagery, air quality sensors, and traffic patterns. By mapping out areas where smog is most prevalent, we can target efforts to reduce emissions in those areas. In addition, GeoMeeting can help track changes in smog levels over time, allowing us to evaluate the effectiveness of pollution reduction measures and make adjustments as needed. Examples of GeoMeeting in action. This network of sensors provides real-time data on air quality in the region, allowing officials to quickly identify areas with high levels of smog and take action to reduce emissions. This network of sensors provides real-time data on air quality in the region, allowing officials to quickly identify areas with high levels of smog and take action to reduce emissions. Another example is the Beijing Municipal Environmental Monitoring Center. It uses GIS technology to monitor air quality in the city. By analyzing data from various sources, including weather patterns and traffic flow, officials can predict when smog levels will be highest and take steps to reduce emissions during those times. GeoMeeting is a powerful tool for identifying sources of smog and reducing its impact on the community. By using GIS technology to analyze data from various sources, we can map out areas where smog is most prevalent and target efforts to reduce emissions in those areas. With continued investment in GeoMeeting technology, we can work towards a cleaner, healthier future for our communities.